how to turn on notifications on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can turn on notifications on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your device, and once on the home page, here click on that Me icon at the right corner below. After clicking on it, you will reach to your profile page. Here click on Settings icon at the end. By clicking on Settings, you will be taken to this area. Here you will see Message Notification option. Click on Message Notification and you will see different notification options here. Choose the notification you want to turn on, whether for message, video calls or voice calls. You will see a toggle button each to these options. By toggling the button, you will enable the message notification. Simply toggle the button of these calls and you will receive the notifications if you receive any call from now on. So in this way, you can turn on notifications on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.